What's up YouTube? It's your girl Sophia RSVP and I'm back with a new video. The other day I had a roll of tulle sitting around and I couldn't really figure out what to do with it. So I decided to make some pom-poms. I'm going to show you what I did with these pom-poms. It's a really cool idea. So for this DIY, you're going to need those pom-poms. You're going to also need a glue gun as well as some glue sticks. And then finally, what you're going to need is a full size mirror or whatever size mirror you want, and a pair of scissors, as well as I used a piece of cardboard from off of a box that was 13 by 6. So I'll put all that information down for you guys below. But basically, the next thing I'm gonna do is show you guys how to make the pom-poms. Okay, so here we go. So you're going to take the tulle and you're going to wrap it around a piece of cardboard 3 times. This all depends on how thick you want your pom-poms. You can go as many times around as you want. The more times around that you go, the pom-pom will be really, really thick. In this case, I put a good amount of really thick pom-poms all the way around the first round. So this is the second lot that I'm using to fill up all the empty spaces. And so what I'm doing here is after I wrap it 3 times, I cut it off. I slide the tulle off the cardboard, and then I'm going to take a piece of random tulle that's just a raw cut, and I'm going to use that raw cut to tie it around the tulle. So I'm just going to tie it really tightly in a knot. Once I do that, you guys will be able to see pretty much the size of each pom-pom, what it's going to be like. See, there you go. Next, once you have it secured and tied tightly, you're going to take a pair of scissors and you're going to cut off each end, which is going to make your pom-pom. So here you see me just tightening up the little piece that I made a knot out of. I'm going to cut off the excess off of that, and then I'm going to cut the sides. So you're going to see me do that now. Just slide your finger through the hole to find where you want to cut, like I did there, and then go ahead with your scissors and cut it right through. And then you're going to see that you have 2 fuzzy ends that you're going to turn inside out, and now you're going to form the pom-pom. So to really give it that round pom-pom shape, you're going to want to open every little piece of folded tulle. The more you open them, the more it looks like a pom-pom slash flower, the more full it's going to look. And you're just going to repeat this for the number of tulle pom-poms that you're going to need for the size mirror that you're working on. You're also going to want to cut off any excess. Sometimes the pieces are a little bit uneven, so here you see me just trimming the edge to make sure that my pom-pom looks nice and even all the way around. Just keep pulling and opening until you get the desired shape that you're looking for. For me, it only has to be on the front because I'm going to glue the back down to the mirror. Okay, so now I'm going to start placing all my tulle pom-poms on the mirror that I'm decorating. So I'm using a hot glue gun and I'm very generous with the glue, and you can see I'm putting it in the top right corner, and I made 4 pom-poms that are a little bit bigger than all the rest for the corners, just to make it look a little bit more textured and to make the sizing look really, really nice and pretty. So here you see that I've laid it down with the glue and I pulled it all out, but at the end you're going to want to look at all your pom-poms and make them look nicer as well. So here you see me adding each pom-pom, first the 2 big ones, and then you're going to start to see me place them in odd places where I'll go back and fill in later. I ran out of tulle. I had to go get some more. The color was just a little bit off, but I still love the way that it turned out, you guys. So this is what the mirror looks like. I put 4 on each corner, big ones, and then I went around. And I still could have done more, but because of the way I spaced them, it didn't really allow me to go in. So you might see little spaces of black, which is okay. I took all the leftover ripped up tulle and kind of stuffed it with glue in between in spots to fill it in a little bit more. But overall, I think it's such a gorgeous mirror. I'm going to show you guys up close right now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. I haven't done a DIY in so long. It was really fun to do this, and honestly I had no idea what to do with this mirror, and I'm so in love with it now. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow the store on Instagram, follow me on Instagram. Everything will be on the screen and down below. And if you guys want to see more DIYs, share this video and give it a thumbs up. My best DIY has almost 1 million views. I will link it down below. Share, 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 guys. I'm back on YouTube and trying to get things popping. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.